Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty First and 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie and I'm excited to have you on my channel. And today we're going to be unboxing my fall winter haul from Walmart. So all of this plus numerous packages that are on the floor that you can't see, we're going to go through today. And this is going to be a mix of some fall stuff, some plaid that you can transition over into winter. We have some mid-weight and also some heavyweight sweaters and items. We'll go through some jackets because it's definitely getting to jacket weather. And then we have a little holiday items as well. Okay, I'm going to go through a couple of the items that I got in store and then we'll go on to the rest of the boxes. So this coat is just gorgeous. So I saw this is by Free Assembly and this comes in sizes extra small to 4XL. I have this in the size small because it looked like it was going to be a pretty good weight. This is definitely not big weight. This is a wool blend plaid coat. And this is in the shade Vanilla Dream Plaid, but this green and also this tan color, this is an unusual plaid, and that's what I really liked about this. I think this will look really great for the holidays, so I paired it here with a set of boots and just a white dress, but this is really great. And I'll let you know if the small was a good fit for me because sometimes I'm more medium in some of these jackets, but because of kind of the size of this one, this was great. And it's got these nice structured shoulders, so it's got some extra padding here, not shoulder pads, but just some extra padding just to keep the structure well. This is great. And I actually just saw this jacket not too long ago in Banana Republic, and this jacket looked very similar. I'll throw a picture up here. And that one was $300. This one is $64, so it's certainly not, a little bit more expensive, but to get a wool blend coat that is in style and also this green that we kind of talked about is also really in, this is a great steal. Okay, so let's see what we've got in here. Okay, oh, I'm excited to see what this looks like. So this is by Scoop, and this is their women's metallic knit mini flare dress, and this comes in sizes extra small to 2XL. I have this in Roomba Red, and it's $34. Oh, this really has some ribbing. You couldn't really tell that online. So you can see that here. I thought this would be a great dress for Thanksgiving, actually. It's got a red color, so you could definitely wear this, also for, any kind of holiday function. And it does have just a little bit of metallic sheen. I think that's picking up there. So this is really nice. I'll throw some pictures up here so you can kind of see, and I'll let you know if this medium size was a good fit for me. But this is great. It's just, a nice simple dress with a little bit of flair. So that one would be great as well. Okay, so the other item I got in store is this jacket. And this is by Sophia Jeans, and this comes in extra small to 5XL. I have this in the size medium, and this is a faux fur chubby jacket in leopard. It also comes in a toasted almond color, which also looked really good, and this is $49. It's also machine washable, which is really kind of hard to believe because this is uber soft. So hopefully when it is washed, it comes out the same. And this hits at the waist, and it also has two side pockets here. So if I can find them, there you go. So not a huge pocket, but it does have two pockets, and it's a zipper closure. I'll put some videos up here of this jacket, and I gotta admit, I wasn't really sure about the leopard print. Leopard, you can go too far. Accents, mild pieces, shoes, all that I'm on board with. I wasn't really sure about this jacket, but I really liked this. So definitely check this out. This is still in store, and they still have all sizes online as well. And then the other item I have is this cardigan, and this is by Holiday Time. And this is their embellished cardigan. And this comes in sizes extra small to 3XL. And this is called Gingerbread. And I'll bring this in close so you can just see the little gingerbread men. It's got the little pops. And then one of the other really nice details that I liked about this was on the buttons, they're actually little tiny gingerbread for the buttons. And this is $20.98, and this is available in store and online. This will probably sell out. Right now I see all the ugly sweaters and ugly cardigans and ugly dresses are all in stock, but people buy those things and they will sell out. Nothing says ugly cardigan that is adorable quite like this one does. So definitely check this one out. Okay, so this next box just barely made it in transit. I think there's one piece of tape that was still holding this on when it was delivered. So hopefully everything inside is still okay. And then some of the other stuff we have in here is sequins. Now, stay with me here. Sequins is really big for this winter time, and I think it's going to be everywhere for holiday parties and New Year's Eve. So this one is by Scoop, and this is their sequin mock neck mini dress, and this comes in extra small to 4X, and the color is blush. I have this in the size medium, and this is $34. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of sequins, but I am so here for this. So let's take a look at this. So it does have this little bit of mock neck here, but this is a great sequence. So I'll bring it in close so you can kind of just see it. Definitely this, want to pair this with maybe like a black or a white jacket, just kind of tone it down, maybe some boots or a heel. But this is going to be great. And it said mini dress online, but I think this is actually going to be a good fit. I'll put some pictures up here and I'll let you know whether the medium was a good fit and also if this hit appropriately on me. I don't want to wear something that's truly a mini dress. I mean, I'm well past that phase of my life, but I thought this might be great for specifically on New Year's Eve and taking a look at that. Okay, so next one we have here, this is by Free Assembly. This is their Cozy Yarn Cable Knit cardigan sweater. I have this in size medium, but it comes in sizes extra small to 3XL. And this is the color Maroon Crush, and it's $26. So I just thought this would be really nice. Hopefully those buttons come in really nicely for you there. This is a great color. I think this would also be great for, a casual Thanksgiving day. Just kind of this, sort of burnt red color, I think is really, really pretty. And this would also go really well with some of the other outfits that we've tried. This does hit at the waist, I think. So we'll see if this is a good fit for me and whether medium was a good choice, but I will be wearing something underneath this. So we'll see how that goes. But this was really pretty online and I was excited to get that as well. Okay, so the next one I have is a dress, and I showed this dress in a different color, rhubarb houndstooth, in my last video, and I'll put a picture up here. But this is the Scoop Asymmetrical Bias Satin Slip Dress with spaghetti straps. Comes in extra small to 2XL, and currently this is $12.23. Yes, $12 for a satin slip dress. And I got this in the size medium because I already had the houndstooth one, and a medium was a good fit. This is so pretty. So it's got kind of this asymmetrical print here, and it's got the spaghetti straps. I also think this would be great for a Thanksgiving if you're going to something a little bit more dressy. You can throw on a cardigan over this, and this will be great. But this is just such a great dress. I'm very excited about this. And let's see what's in the one we've got here. Oh, okay. This I'm really excited about, and I'm excited to see this. This is by Time and True, and this is their brushed long line plaid shacket. So let's take a look at it here. Oh my goodness, this is so great. So this is actually pretty long, so it is truly a shacket. This comes in sizes small to 3XL. It is in the shade Ermine. Not really sure what an ermine is, but that's what the shade is. And it's $29.98. And this is, I did see this in store as well, so you might be able to grab it in store. And I got this in size small. So we'll see if this is a good fit for me. With jackets, sometimes I have a hard time because I'm tall, so I'm 5'9", and I have long arms and long legs, so sometimes things like pants don't fit super well on me, and sometimes jackets I need a bigger size. So I'll put up in the comment section here after the video whether or not this was a good size for me. This plush jacket, man, this is just super nice, so I'm excited to try that out. Okay, so let's see what's in the other one that was below it here. Okay, so we've got two items in here. So we'll start with this one first. Okay, this one is by Holiday Time. So if you're not familiar with it, Holiday Time is Walmart's kind of own version for holidays and celebrations, and all of their pieces generally revolve around a holiday. So I bought a number of their items, both socks, and I got some pajamas and a sweater during the Halloween season, and now they've got a whole range out for Christmas. So this sweater is so nice. So if you can see that detailing there with the holly jolly, it's also got kind of the sequins. And I got this in size medium. This comes in extra small to 3XL, and this is called Black Soot and Winter White. And it is $19.98. And like I said, I have the medium, and this has 6 different prints that are available. So if you don't love this one, although I don't know why you wouldn't, then there's others. And this is really soft material as well. So definitely check that one out. And then the other one I have, this one is just kind of a fun item. So this is by Joyce Fun, and if I can get it turned around here. So it's essentially a little romper. So it does have a hood on it, and it's also got some kangaroo pockets down here that you can use. And this is just to lounge around in. So again, I'll put the picture up there so you can get a better idea of it. And this one I have in size medium, but this comes in extra small to 3X, and this is called Red Pepper. And this is just a lounger. It's just for fun, but you know, black and red, such a great combination with the buffalo check for winter. I will be enjoying this one. This is also really soft. Okay, I brought up the next two. And also just want to remind everybody that you'll see in the upper corner a number, and that will correspond to the item. And then in the description box down below, I will put a list of all the numbers and the items so that you can easily find the things that you're looking for, especially on Walmart's website, which is usually going to be your fastest way to get things. And usually they'll have all the sizes and things that you need along with the description. So that'll be in there. If you're not sure how to get there, after the title of this video, you'll see a little button that says more. So just go ahead and hit the more button and it'll bring up a short description, and then you hit more and that'll bring up the full description, which will have all of the items that we're talking about today. All right, so let's see what's in the next round of boxes. Oh, okay. So I've been waiting for this one for a while. This was originally around in the fall, and then it kind of went off and I couldn't find it anymore, and then it reappeared and I got a notify me button telling me that it was back in stock, so I ordered this. Okay, so this is the Scoop Ultimate Scuba Knit Cardigan, and this is in the color Chicory Coffee, and this comes in extra small to 2XL, and I have this in the size small, and this is $24. But like I said, I tried to buy this kind of in late summer, early fall, and it sold out and I wasn't able to get it, and then it got restocked. So currently it's available in all sizes and colors, but just kind of keep that in mind that this could have a sellout risk. And I'll put up there whether or not I think the small was a good fit for me or not. But this is a great color. You know, this chocolate kind of chicory coffee, they want to call it, or coffee brown, chocolate brown. This is such a popular color for fall. So you can add this like I did to any other set you have. You can wear this over jeans. This is a really versatile piece. And then this one here, oh, okay, this one, let's go through this one first. So this is by Chime and True, and this is their fleece bomber jacket, and this comes in sizes extra small to 3XL. And this is again in the very popular color of ermine that the shacket was in. And I have this in size medium. So this is, I saw this online and I just thought it was so cute, and hopefully I will look as good as the model did when she had this on. But this is just a great print, great color. It's a super soft fleece. So I will definitely be enjoying this one. And this is a mid-weight, so it's not going to be super heavy, and you can probably wear this now, especially if you're kind of in the mid-Atlantic, upper north area. Okay, so let's take a look at this one here. Oh, okay. This is going to be great. So this is a fleece bomber jacket, and this is by Scoop, and it's a crinkle patent leather in black suit. This is only $16, and it comes in sizes extra small to double XL, and I have this in the shade medium. So I got this actually in the red color. I know it's really screaming shiny because of the light. This is really, really pretty. So I have this already in the red shade that I use to wear with the houndstooth dress. And I also think this would go really well with that green dress. So I'll put some pictures up here of some of the items, but oh, geez, that's just great. And oh my gosh, only $16. Definitely get that. And that is a sale price. So just be aware when items in Walmart go on sale, then oftentimes they're getting ready to sell out of those. And then this item, let's see here. So this is Avia, and I have this in the size large. This is $16.98. This is soft sculpt flare leg yoga pants in deep Chianti. Now, I'm going to admit, I didn't catch the legging part until I was writing out all these descriptions, and I saw that it had a flare, and online, I thought this was a sweatpant. But I realize now that this is a legging, and you will not believe me when I tell you this, but I have never in my entire life ever owned a set of leggings. I know I'm like the only woman in America that doesn't have leggings, but I just never really felt like they would look very good on me. So we'll see. I'll put up in this description box if I enjoy these or not. I just really didn't catch this, but they're only $16.98. So, you know, we'll try it out. And I did get large for the length. So if you're tall like me, you probably also have to do that. I have some other Avia pieces and I also need that, but it was a really pretty color. I thought they were going to be sweatpants. They're not. So we'll see what I think about that. So this is by Sophia Jeans, and this is their faux fur trim coat. Can you tell that faux fur is very in this year by the amount of stuff I have in it? And this is in size extra small to 5X. It's in the shade Iced Coffee, and I got it in medium, and this is $59. So this is kind of like that other plaid coat. This is, you know, definitely not a cheap piece, but it's, you know, wow. This is very long, but you can see kind of this faux collar here, and it actually starts down kind of here with the buttons, and it's got this nice belt on it. So we'll see. This was another one I was not 100% sure if this was going to look good on me or not. So I'll put some comments up here, and I'll also put some pictures. But wow, I mean, the faux fur, it just feels like those jackets that we had. It's really, really nice. So we'll see how this looks with maybe some of the dresses that we also got. And then the other item we have, put this here, is a pair of boots. So these are by Time and Tru, and this is their tall-heeled slouchy boots, and this comes in sizes 6 to 11. I have size 10. Usually these are pretty true to size, so it's got the zipper close, and then this also has memory foam in the heel. It's $29.98, and they do have wide width available. I went with the medium width, and this has got a 2.5-inch heel. This is a great boot. You know, kind of this faux suede moment that's going on here, but this is hard to come by at this price point anywhere. So definitely check this out if you're looking for some boots in kind of this nice brown color. So thank you for joining me on my Walmart unboxing and haul. It was quite a few items. I'll put some of my other unboxing videos here, and then I'll put some of my makeup videos here. I do makeup, football, beauty, fashion, decor, DIY, you name it, I have done videos about it. So I hope you'll hit the subscribe button and become part of the Beauty First in 10 family. And then also just remember, all these products will be linked in the description box down below by number. And just remember, you hit more and then more again, and happy shopping.